Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Let's make a tuna sandwich today. And this is everything here. Let me see. I have 2 cans of tuna that I'm going to drain. And I'm going to open the cans and drain it. I have provolone cheese. If you want to make a tuna melt, I have mustard. I have sriracha mustard. I have a lime and onion. Then I have avocado here that I'm going to replace for mayonnaise. I'm not using mayo today, so I'm going to use the paste of avocado instead. And then I'm going to use small tomatoes because the big ones usually my kids pull them out of the sandwich. They don't want to eat it, so I'm going to mix it with the mayonnaise so they won't be able to pick it out. Then I have some baby spinach and I have a bread for sandwich. So let's get started. Okay, like I said, आज हम टूना का सैंडविच बनाने लगे हैं और हम उसमें मेयो की जगह पे एवोकाडो की पेस्ट बना के डालेंगे. So first of all, I'm going to cut my bread and put it in the toaster. So while the bread is toasting, we will prepare for the tuna. Okay, there it goes. Let me put it down. I don't want it too toasted, just setting on 2. सबसे पहले कैन को ओपन करते हैं. Let me open the cans and then I will drain the tuna. I will drain the water out of it. Okay, there you go. All right. Whatever excess water is in there, I don't want it in my sandwich, so I'm going to drain the tunas and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm taking all the water out. There you go, you can see. Okay, so now we have the tuna in front of us. Let's see, I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper, just a dash. I'm going to add a pinch of salt, not too much because the canned food always have salt in it, some sodium. Okay, you can use a dab of mustard, regular mustard, brown spicy mustard, or you can have sriracha mustard that's available nowadays. So I will use that too, just a little bit. And then I'm going to put this on the side and mash my avocados because that is what I'm replacing for mayonnaise. मैं इसमें mayonnaise नहीं डाल रही हूँ. मैं इसके अंदर avocado जो है उसको replacement के तौर पे लगा दूँगी. avocado के अंदर मैंने थोड़ा सा lemon juice, lime juice डालना है और ज़रा सा salt and pepper डालना है और फिर उसमें tomatoes डालने हैं. So I'm adding a little bit of lime juice to this, and then I will add a little bit of salt and pepper and small chunks of tomatoes. Okay, so let me put that away. So just like we make it for omelets, because you don't want big chunks in your mouth, so you have to just cut it as small as possible, just like that. And you don't need it too much, it's up to you. A little squeeze of lemon, and of course I'm going to squeeze lemon in the tuna right here. So I love the taste of lemon juice in my tuna. If you like a little bit of heat in your food, you can always add a little bit of pepper flakes. Okay, So let's mix all that together. All right. Mix it all well, nicely. And if you don't want avocado, you can always have something like mayonnaise made with avocado oil. That will do too. You can also add some green chili, but it's totally optional. This one is almost sweet. It's not hot at all. That's why I know the boys will like it and I would like it too. But you can add a jalapeno pepper if you like. You know, like I said, it's totally optional. It's up to you. So there you go. Add a little bit of tomatoes. If you have kids who are picky eaters and they pull the tomatoes out of the sandwich, take the small tomatoes, cut them in little bit of pieces and mix it in the mixture. Nice and creamy and very flavorful tuna mixture is ready. So is our bread. My bread is toasted. So apply a little bit of tuna mixture on the bottom. Take a handful of spinach, baby spinach. Just pile it up, just like that. Don't worry about all that. Add more tuna to it. And now, if you want to make this sandwich tuna melt, then you have to take a slice of provolone cheese. I like provolone on tuna. Put it here. All you have to do is to put it in the microwave for a few seconds. Otherwise, your tuna sandwich is ready. So, our healthy and yummy tuna sandwich is ready to eat. Let me show you. Look at it. You have all the yummy and healthy stuff in it. There it is. There you go. So tell me, how do you like my sandwich? How do you like my healthy sandwich? And you can always use lettuce. I'm not using lettuce because I want to eat some spinach today. So we got tomatoes, we got spinach, we got avocado and lime juice, onions. So it's pretty good and healthy. So let me know how I did. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye now, because I can't wait to dig in. Thank you. I will love mine with a little squeeze of lemon or lime. So there you go. Bye bye now.